Hi, I'm Rich Serino, Distinguished Senior Fellow at Harvard University's National Preparedness Leadership Initiative. Prior to joining Harvard, I was the Deputy Administrator at FEMA. I served under President Obama in that position. And prior to that, I was the Chief of the City of Boston's Emergency Medical Services, or EMS. I also served for a couple of years as the Assistant Director of Health for the City of Boston. Today, I want to talk to you about the arc of time, what was, what is, and will be. And as we start to think of the arc of time, especially in this time of COVID-19, we have to think of where we are today and where we want to be and where we have been, and understanding that we're all in different parts of the arc of time, whether it's here in Cambridge, Boston, Massachusetts, or whether it's in New York City or California or Minnesota. We are all in different parts of the arc of time, especially in this response. What's unusual about this response, this disaster response, is it's also a worldwide pandemic. So we understand that different people in different countries are in different places, but we can learn from that. What was in China and what is in Italy will be for us soon. We're starting to see it in New York City. We have to understand that. And as we look at the was, we can learn a lot from that. Leaders can assign epidemiologists and others to study the was and how we can help prepare for what will be. But we're also in this time, this period of is, what we are doing now. And right now, it's about how we can save lives. Not only how we can save lives, but how we can prepare for the future. Meta leaders don't get stuck in the is. They look forward to what will be. And specifically now, is what will be in 2 weeks, what will be in 2 months, what will be in 4 to 6 months, and how are we going to be able to look to how we're going to open? What are we going to open going forward? Is everything in a magic going to be on one certain day, the end of May, we're going to open up? No. In this disaster, in this pandemic, we're going to have to open gradually. Meta leaders have to look forward to what will be. In the 2 months, is schools going to open? Or are they going to stay closed? Restaurants, how are we going to open restaurants? Are they going to be open up for, if normally sit 100 people, probably only sit 50? Are we going to shake hands or are we going to do the elbow bump? Society is going to be different. So understanding what will be has to be determined now. We have to start thinking what will be. In any disaster, there's always a core group of people that will look at recovery early on. Understanding what the recovery will be can set how well it will go. We can't just respond to it as it happens. If we carefully think about what will be, that's going to help how we will recover in the long term. Start to think in the 4 to 6 months to 8 months. Unfortunately, in this case, we're not going to have a vaccine probably for another year. So what can we do now to prepare ourselves? So understanding the arc of time, what was, how we're dealing with that, is about saving lives. We have to deal with that. What will be and how we recover is one of the best things that a meta leader can do.